Shapi baro ngipriang so bahabiang sa sisian pan siya ka program kisaw ayom kipor balawanda shapi daunong san Hima. Haga ni gajingya kren ngiyo banyatu khana badu samla rangba dajiet shabong. Haga banga so sarong banyatu shapi ba uni uriu shimen haringkat u ken jong u. Kilalong shisha kita ki nong prat lenti. Haga ba dakajing treshi tom jong ki ban penhe pensan ya ka kam ka bakidon ilala man kentiu ia Kiwei pat. Usam larang ba dajir ulong unong ya lam haki kam ki babun teli. Henrei kajing ang no jong u kam shem lakut hang ta. Ula Shim ya kajing ele kum kajing kit kli. Mat mentau lala ban kentiu. Na kajing penyat iki jakasa, sya kajing penmi iki sok wine ka bakery bat kajing penmi iki asyar. Kay ka bak hampen long u kum uta ubriu uba treirat ba kalong kajing ele ban ailat ban kentiu iki weiru. Ula penmi ya kalat kamai, ula ai kam ai jam shi samla, ilong kemi bi kilong kapa, hagi shnong ki thau. Da ka ba hikai iki, da ka ba ailat ban penyo kam hapo ki benta jong ka kam ka ba useng hi dalah dia. U samlarang ba dajir ulong shisha unuksa jong kajing tre shitom kabadon ka Jingmut bat kajing yai tre klam sangi kajing penya jong ukam dei tang na kabenta la ka jong karoi kapar rei ka deiru kajing penyo jimentoy syake menang ka salang sementang iladon hang ni hapo kinjai ban yakan bi ba dajit shabong ban snong thu kam benia alor kini ka kam ka ba ile ale mentah ni kren janai ba te ba dajit long ni thu alor shapang jong pi bat alor ka kam jong pi
ngadi ba dajit shabong te ngaslang ni kinjai la kham slam he na do war hajar khanyo aslang shwara ka homestay te ngila yat ka homestay kumto te ka jano to pandemic te ki khang no homestay te khame na ni banle te nadam long tu arpo te ngaslang man sang do te la dap sang do te ngisang set momo te set momo te gibriu gi ong au bang so set suta te sedang sini set Korean set ai te kumtai te do set lagi Korean ke gibriu gi ong ka bang kinang ta lagi sedang ya wan kisang ya order online and this nati ya ngaperkhat ngabi ti perlok atu poli ulan kam dan jam no ana syok nghieng man te bon ba kapor mania eksperimen mania ye te ta kapor te hang ta kan sapoi set se ki perlok kisang ya order te nang ta ki ong habis dang no kenja cloud kitchen gen te ta kada sa kenjai cloud kitchen te sang ni tai ni don ni purpose dang arhut laingot ngalek ngabi ekonomi ya pores dang kan te ia don tang iwi gas berit iwi karai ita hi stang te trai kum to arhut te long kum ta kan te hadien pada gibriu gi stang ayu gi stang yo jingtep ba ongia dia ki jumbam kamper kisang order tenang tu ni sesangnya kiu te ngaru ngam la masuk tu kumnu ya kiu du kan ni te dei banga tip ba kongsan de kadai jingkur pujung belai pi nomor ba porga sedang sini kir ki bro na hayi ngasam ki me sedang sistu te me belum memitukan harut surok na he me sedang sistu te la jingai tinggal pada ngong sulit lah kali mau tip bakalong na kamlong kita sulong ta tai jing sedang berit tu ni kan hadu mentah
di kai ba penslur ya pi long like no na kata ka long ba pi perkat aku por pandemic mamam dan iban dia kai pat ka ba penslur ya pi ba ya shaprang ni ka kam
kalau humne pi Christine kalau humne apor ba syuamangan ne kita ne te ka ong ai pi kelak hang ka homestay edem nang tu pandemic pisarum dan syot sakalan te songdum ngai songdum arti urus perkat din kan ni jing biang ni ru kaja hadu kan ni no por sedang te la sedang rakam de azin por kadang ya te kepisah kadang wan dan kibon gibri wan pan kam ki pilong na man ai kam setiar na ban odjur na and I realized that there are a lot of people who actually really suffered like me nang tai ki nga sayo msim ma no I should persiangi maganda bahaya kene te ya persiangi man ya tristom man ya banyak yit ki lat kilimki kumnu ban long pair na kiwi ki restaurant kiwi ki balaya long establish na ki balaya don mupa te ya persyang mane shet hi bani persyang mane le hi ba no ba de persyang ni le hi ka kham duna de la kham duna ka expenditure, then we can actually help other people. So that's how I actually been slow kayo kung lumakan diyan sekarang.
Tinalor kani ka bamboo isna wine tu deh.
Yes, so Jingai now is multi-layered. Kamde show tang ni homestay ni, the homestay is one part of it. Then ngisang kani ka bam. Then hapor bang inang le homestay the kiriwan ki pareng ani bon ba ki pareng mayawan. What they were telling me something different to take back home or something like that. That's when I decided that I should get into making wines and everything like that. They for Rashna wine, kibon ha kini ki parang kiba wan kamtam ne Europe ne kinang mari ban critique ban batay kim no nga. They don't look down. They actually don't look down on you. They give you so much constructive criticism. Instead of, like, this wine is bad, they won't say it like that. They'll be like, oh, the yeast is still there. The smell of the dead yeast is still there. You have to do this. And when they say something, ki ko abi ban ong met to kalang humni. Di ban pin bhai ni le kumni hot. Ala bagi parang na gidi chat ban reu gidi shafi ani bla. Kira shahi shafi breu yes na nita kan da so okay mentau ni ong ni ke persyang na ka khamba susu te isna ni Taiwan te hata por la isna khambon na isna si top he kan ngum do te jana to pandemic te bon bedi la jong te apor ba humda ni ban le they everything falls into place. Even 2020, the government only actually made the policy for home winemaking. That's when I got to know about it. We were very, very excited. Nang taking saya pentip. Don't we perlu patray po hangnya po Meghalaya Farmers Commission hangnya. Empowerment Commission itu kan yang jeep hisnawai ni wara sini. Depan bengi ai sa solia ti kan kawain de kabiang. Yang pikwan na exposure to sen lasik kan. So yung takala te belum kwa aba la susong mahiyang nama. Ti yung toto tahap ai keteng hablem tapi ai. Dalam tu nang tu kan saya poison nasik dan poison nasik te. That's when we saw the whole world of how winemaking is and what type of business we can actually make wine into kan. Kalau kan.
Di wine ayo di juice na. Di piso di jur gidan mo kibari jur piso.
Di kumaangai pinai te hadu 2020 hineng irang sinabi tik nang soyong mo so kasi. Naman ba what we believed in, naman ba berapa gila isna di ginger, pineapple, plum, peach and everything like that. But what I believed in, for wine ni, we have to make one thing good first, then move to the next. So yung takakutang ni buang tu pareng ongum ta, tu boy pareng ongum ta, tingin na ya ko ay man tumbaho ya kata. Dedap nang tu tinggi isna betik nang soyong. But after the Nasik tour, then we understand a lot of things. Then when we came back with the Mega Farmers Empowerment Commission, he ka training ini apo IHM. He set up ka lakajong ka winery and everything like that. Te nang tu ngi training. Dedap nang tu ngi internships for boardi. Dedap nang tu bring your advanced training show. Dedang tu ngi kendu kini kibri kiba long very efficient in fruit winemaking. Now winemaking is an art and it's a science also nai. Dedang tu la so ba okay, different fruits have different acids, different tannins, different kini sugar level and everything like that. Te hang tu ini sedang ban so tu kumno mengin different type of fruit. So now from soyong la dan pineapple ngisna min December or ngisna min September actually. By December la all sold out. The plum ngisna then dan minta sop kasi dan nang tu ngisna kiwi wine te ngila experiment but honey hangning yo kagap ko bha te nang tu ngi por nang le ni training ngi soto by wine can also be made from honey by fermentation of wine, which is called mead, which is very very popular right from the Viking age in Scandinavia, right? Te nang tu benda ngisdang which because ngisdang man ferment kene honey, and then what we did was we infused with coffee. The new coffee there udah batung hina yeng hi. Ni don coffee plantation do syathi support nong renyang. The utau coffee batung still also is 100% Arabica, and the best thing about this para jonga ula ai kini ki grading mo ki coffee di grading which got 84 score. In India the best grading is 85. So in Meghalaya we actually have one of the best specialty coffee also. They mentang produce around 12 tons. Hopefully this also will be another project for us kan. They were trying very very hard, so hopefully it'll work out.
Dia ngamut bandong ni mo pi ong mentan ba ye kini ki komiki ki so mo ba pisna ha ka pon pisna so yong ba do so ba si piyo ana kini ki mar.
Kini ki mar te naki nongrab bet pi. Menchua pon ong ai pinai shwa ka nongila star aslam te arajar khanyo arja pra por ginang elected titit na yo shwa te dat nong tu ngi yo information bala ban thit ngi farmers e to tingi sang thit ngi farmers te hadu menta ban ngila don tayo bagi farmers shwa phone ba shwa mengi don kam kata kila e penbiang hi te kila ora ba
Gimana ni?
ha benang ni
Teka alcohol content ko wine.
So because of SSI regulation, after 11% and above, kani ka kamdan expiration date shwa naman katu ka alcohol badan ham to kala sterilize germs e yaw tingi snabe ki wine above 11% and below 12%. So our wines hover around that percentage. But last December usubho kasina ngi as a cider. Okay, we've dropped the alcohol level to around 7 to 8%, which is very very nice. Kalong very refreshing ato.
They menta yaban undergo like filtration process no?
Yes. So because menchua ta ani she jer bi du jan san di ja jo tu kan she yo bat kum do she ni so la pro ba ani di so khan do por re da la le she po nasik shutur clear ba bang pi. And then they showed us different type of filtration. So the Kiwei galong ba ni ladap ki training ge we understand that wine filtration we have to use a pad filter where ki don be the filtration pad song hum to ki ba don for ki don be arho set hum to nai the different microns kan you have to run that wine through there the ngap de bilos kwa ban shna. See, my vision about Jingai is to make a brand where it is at par with the rest of the world, even our wines also. Nano menchua mai kno itu parang nai kwa ban shna. That is when I went kumno dong ngam khenchu de nga persyang dengan yo ki equipment ki ba long world class weekend. So we went ahead and purchased like equipments which is like for even the fermentation tanks, even the filtration also very world class, but along but accepted in the world wine world kumto kan kiba shna e kumto tingile ta
ti kumno pi like ti lakam nya ka jing bahaj ka wine
the pi pat kumno no kanu jing shet na kanu khamta me ka bam he hable khut hable suba hable biang na dong se dong te por minang le machwa te mangimdan ki equipments mangimdan ki tiar mangimdan ki training na ke tingin na yele kumar ben dai menta pade nadu bala depth training la don ki equipments everything is made in stainless steel. Stainless steel, everything is stainless steel, everything is kept under temperature control. The kumbaong ay filtration ki world class filtration te ka kawain yung ka debet kadik pelakut bahkan man bapa test man bapa eru ka kalong ka kabiang there's no kimdan kini ki impurities na any living organism or anything like that.
Thì bà đã giết cái cái bà phần long này cái quay trong khi bà cần kia bạn này Kiwei cái chạy quay hani hamega ya.
Kawai kumalaya batai hinai ngidai lamar balayo training bun bagi bayas nawai nang ni mo. Ti la kajong ka sub la kajong ka method la kajong ka procedure ni ale mo. Ndai lagi perlu kajong ni manga iba Brian bat iba damat sesi sepo mo forward tang mengi benang ya thiet kini ki wine fermentation tank ki nei. Mereka mengatip mga data mga benang actually use it benang lap dan kami ni kita te iba Brian ngampat tip rei la sedang na iba damat ti iba Yanis impat sedang ra kata mengatip nei ti tang na kini kita kalap her lupa balai yang pi kawain lu kam lo kalong airtight fermentation lu it's under temperature control ki kenyang ki bacteria ki rungsho and this and that. Another thing is that we have taken training very very seriously and we have always persyang man wat jing rapid ni kini gibre bala expert kanu ka jing bakalane ka jing ya kendo gini ki mosiang na ki ki ba jingai kan ngila phone ba ki ngila batai ki kalau komtak kendo mungin la penbiang ya kawain kendo bahkan penbiang na do ka taste na do ka in every level kan nama ba kawain kumi bisudi ka bang na ambak tangatai dai but then when it comes to the science of it kan hampiang ka pH kan hampiang ka acids kan hampiang ka tuka kini ka level of your tannins and everything like that. So that's how we try to make it like kumbaong IP that I want world class wine. We want to work towards that direction kan.
Ki bottles hile umno.
Ki bottles te menta na namar production jungi tagre. Every the whole wine area wine environment here in Meghalaya kita kan sudah kita ya untuk ki kinyat bottles no. Tinggi ni thiet ben nawai ngadang thiet nawai supplier nang ni na ko kedam kulai. Tu penbiang mengi kan benginot kap arhajar bilor ne si jar bilor ne sanspa bilor ne upha be kunto. Te
ha ka shibnai kan ni dia. Saya pisu kan
kelum ni nomor ba mentang ngimpat de padba thanra ki wai nomor ba production kadang duna tinggi dia untuk sun focus means approximately spa bilor spa
Shibnai Idan Jingmut man penhe so
ka Jingmut ko jong ale penhe be kinjai because kadang-kadang la penhe kadang la badai kam sui ki brio ko ngai pi ngasang abi kenu mong sia stang kale be tu em si sha kan kata te dai hadim da ngasusu ba bon ba ki brio ba kwa kam kidon ki brio ba ki bom kidon ki brio ba like kini ki kena college ki kwa bantre hindi kim don por no bro khat to nga lastang also na mo kastang we started giving part time opportunities for them so tekum kini so my vision of Jingai is to actually make more of all of these be it winery be it a restaurant be it all this bakery or anything which has to do with service and hospitality kan tidak lawan pergi tidak lawan I come susu ki brio mungkin kam benar kiu lang bro khat
kat nungut try baro khat iba try ni
halo menta ting don ko sau tam
lalaki jong ki ima
laki jong
di kat nu ka jimentu yo try manus nam ken pelum but ka homestay but ni ka restaurant but jipeni wine
ani katate shu nadu bangi stang ni ngidang ya nomor ba kalong komni pi kumba ai pi por ngistang with tik ni we karai shu kan mo por ngistang wine du ndon ra kanu ba ngidon pisana kumanga ai pi por pandemic le apsong dum la saot kalan dekat ke pisa bagi yo ngi invest be hang ni de hadu mentaru nginang ya invest be hapo kam de kajing yo kalong ba kajing yo kadon mo nomor ba kadang mi isi kum ka wine ni la pulut kum ba ciklur tame de kum gani kitchen mentang ya ala penbiang ki kini ki tiar gitar yo kitchen ro te ka bakery ro ngila la ban khanya ka jing yo te manong man yo ban ya kata te ngimpat da yo khan ba rai ban khanya ka jing yo ai kam ki breu de kala mun to sibon ma mar bangi persyang hi ban umta kan ban ai ka jing siru ka ba ya im lang ngan we mende ban ya yo tang siliang te persyang hi umta
bila Jumaat kan kanu ka jing do nong ka loss ma kani ka amnti
ka jing do nong te nga thai kalong the way you look at it see in life whatever you do you always either gain an experience or gain a lesson. So I don't think there's anything but there's so much as a loss or something like that. And hakane ka jat kam kumbo ngai if you take it in that way as a loss te teng mo kumba in dan ki por mangi ferment ki wine ki por padan ni men stay te bom la ban le temperature control ne bom la ban maintain the hygiene teng ki bacteria ki mi lo ang to po wine kumbo ngi lamited te menta don ki bre bu shuwai ngi gitu kawain kadang phan re ngi te bon mangi berat ye bro hat te ki top ki wine ngi berat te kumta ki jing ngi Shim chua kan te menta pada belong bandon kano ka jing do nong de kamda don
thì cũng lúc thì lúc ki por ki ya yo haki ni ki ka bam ne ka wine
por Christmas ani por Christmas no to por si da la poi October la sedang si to be cherry blossom la sedang si to be I know festivities and all of us also la don ngot mood no la sobang te ki nado ki puja ki bawan juga kai ki brio ki wan bam restaurant ni ai ka wine man nang tu ni sang ka sil ka kham ka he ba ni tu por te nado por ka sang ne Jingai ne I always want to give back to the community, especially to the kids. So that's why I started this also, Jingai cosplay. So this was in 2022. So kani ni isang may hang ni siya. Isang siya hang ni di barit bahai program. Then 2023 also was here. But 2024 ngili apa Anton Hall. So it was quite big. And then we had participation from nang ni na po Assam, na Nagaland, na po Manipur, na Mizoram. Kani kalau kumka event, it's a free event. But Kibril ki labe ban participate ban peni kasap jong ki te as you know now kids are so much into anime and everything like that. So that's how I really want to give back and I want to grow a community here where even the kids will have a platform to showcase their talent and everything like that.
Thì hakani nga jinga nin pi jong pide ki menta mo Kibril la bun basna wine. So kumno ki Kynthoh ya ka wine business jong pi.
Kata dia kani ka wine ne kanu ka product bo pishna ro da pishna hi kanu ka babha hi Kibril hi kin Ïaroh te Kibril hi kin Ïaroh le kin Kynthoh whichever the pile bahai ka kam mot kin Ïaroh the pile Sniew ka kam dan kin ong mo kani kamlong and we'll always have to take that as a positive feedback and work on it, try to make it better ndai umlai man benbiang ya baro hat pada te kalau humtakan
Thì bara jiet Kiwei mo Kiwei ka question ka bakal dua ke ko kubur ko kila ban ai si Kiwei pa
as in what type of kubur
kubur jihikai ban ai men
siem te I mean kata te for me I believe in hard work. Kiwei kadiban first of all we have to love our life, like give thanks to God for the blessings that He's given us, and then kajing to istom pe Kiwei. Dala ban yai tre sitom ban nai and they ban not to give up or something like that. Keep on working hard, and we understand our vision, and we understand that we're doing something good for the people. Then I think it'll work out. It'll work out.
Dia bada jet angkat tu. Saya Shim yang aku kapor. Beli shibun yang kapor.
Beli pi Christine. Beli pi kan.
Dia long pin ieng ni kita ki.
Yes. Of course. Yeah. Ini pet hitam.
Kani deka.
Carbon dioxide.
Bapi ferment.
Kini ki fermentation tanks. Te kani mentah ki kedon sopok kasih yang ni. Te ngi hapchil ya kani ada certain temperature. Te mentah kini mentah artli kini soprap passion fruit. It's under fermentation mentah. It's under control for fermentation. Kini kendap hadin sa sopok sengi Te lalong ma kani kawan lalong. Tinadap lang ningin sa rack ng sa pengam tu borok tu sediment sa isapo dengan sa. This is the filtration system kan. Doesn't look like it, but this is the one. Tingi pendat ang tay urung ang tu out here na tingi buat di pads kay kumdo. Tok. Di kawan nang tu it goes through all the way here and comes out from there kan. Tinang ni kawan ka ba jugot tinang tay labi score kan. Hot.
Ini atrip yang sok vaksin tu.
Anyway, so sini like say ni kani kalau ngomong empty mentah.
Empty.
Jadi ni kita ki bang.
Ki sok bapi ferment day seasonal fruits.
Seasonal fruits. So that's why the winery every month kemut kaya de ko winery. Okay. Dagim kumno nang dagim sna kini ki fruits ru ngi de kumka de ngap ge gitu. Kita ki aspiration yung kan.
Dia ban pengkuit cuba pula penteli mana ni pengkuit kuno pada.
There is a process. There is a process. That kita kelak kai lo for training and everything like that. Normal mentah pi so mentah ni hang ni don for ni sna so yong nai. Dia mentah ni sna so pakasi tu kan kena hap kuat ba. There's a lot of procedure to do all this also kan.
Ki label bila
hot ki label kini pas na ki pale humne kini pale po Bombay ni sobrap ni just this bottle also shongdor commercial parting ka tang bottle
bottle ni gini dah
kini lagi have order special ini teh dalam tu uni baju ni udah passion food meat tinggi sna buat ka ngap ni ni. This is around 1400. Nangtang dan ni this is the coffee meat. To coffee mengi sna pot nornyang. This is the one. Betul. And then kini lagi ni sopo kasi. No, this is sopo kasi. Cider. This is cider. And then we have soyong dan lightly. This is the normal soyong. Untuk bengisna na do mencua. Bengisna bai kumni long normal wine and everything like that. But this one is a soyong classic. Now this one, but because of the training and all, we have infused French oak chips, and we've aged in barrels. Okay, so this one has a very beautiful taste. And ki khamta mi gini wine drinker ki bakwa ki bne ka wine ka bathyang and sendat te ki singsta khamta mi ki this one.
Dia kat dia baik kat ba dia dia baik itu. Dia ni ki bapa apsa di ki years gitu ki bapa mah.
Ngi dia baik ngimpat sedang orang itu ke process of aging or anything like that kan.
Dia ngai kisna asha kan.
Isu kisna lu. Ini. Kalau Malaya isna itu Islam tu. People they want to buy or something like that. And there's a lot of things that anything that comes by kan ni pisang ni mana le.
Tim tang lapoy siya kabakot jang ka program. Ni ay ko belayu sam larang ba dajit upala platform banya kran ba itu kana ba ni. Ngingat ba kani kan ay man sim Kiwei ban kintie we la dia ba Kiwei ru kumju. Ni ay ka jing ko belay siya piru ginong karshan jongi ba ngi kermen ba pinang yai karshan shu yangi. Tangkat tu ko belay shibun.